few people can't avoid placing themselves in risk. Those people have given us some astonishing things, similar to bungee-hopping and scuba jumping. Then again, they're additionally in charge of Russian roulette and planking. At the point when Tesla revealed its semi-self-driving autopilot programming the previous fall, we saw proprietors on the two finishes of the Desire to Die range. Some utilize the innovation capably, others, not really. Presently comes word that the automaker might get serious about the last gathering's utilization of autopilot by incidentally impairing the element. The recent months haven't been caring to autopilot. The product has been connected to a demise in Florida and a few missed chances around the world, incorporating one in China, where it creates the impression that Tesla deals workforce in the organization's Chinese dialect site had been depicting autopilot as completely self-sufficient. The features have become so warm that CEO Elon Musk was welcome to affirm before the U.S. Senate Board of Trustees. He additionally felt constrained to commit a sizable lump of his generally front-aligned and all strategy part to guarding the still-in-beta innovation. All through, Musk and others have done all that they could to clear up that Tesla Autopilot isn't a self-driving framework, and that notwithstanding, when it's locked in, proprietors are told to keep their hands on the haggle eyes out and about. Autopilot contains a well-being instrument to guarantee drivers do only that. On the off chance that drivers neglect to keep up contact with the guiding wheel, Autopilot utilizes obvious and capable of being heard admonitions to stand out enough to be noticed. In the event that they don't react, Autopilot starts abating the vehicle and dialing down the volume on the auto's stereo. Yet, those sorts of alerts aren't sufficient for a few people. Thus the coming V8.0 refresh of Autopilot may forestall drivers who disregard the product's admonitions from reconnecting with it in any event briefly. In the event that Autopilot turns itself off in light of the fact that a driver has disregarded cautioning signals, she will most likely be unable to turn it on again until the point that the auto is halted and put in stop. In such cases, the vehicle's versatile voyage control, which Tesla calls activity-mindful journey control, will stay utilitarian. However, the self-controlling component won't. There's no word yet on when Autopilot 8.0 will start taking off to Tesla proprietors. However, it's reputed to experience last tests now.